Yeah, this is my cone. It's a big motherfucker. Split the bong trying to get the fucking stem in. Big motherfucker. Ready to be smoked. You know? You only live once. Why fucking live it fucking being straighty 180 all your life when you can fucking suck down one of these fucking babies and fucking get high as fuck? You know what? If I wanted to get even more high, I'd mix marijuana with heroin with fucking DMT, and I'd be even more fucking high than I am right now. But marijuana's good enough for me right now. That's all I fucking need. As you can see, I shake a little bit. Oh, not so much at that end, but if I straighten my hand up, I start shaking. But if I bend it out that way with the love, I don't shake that much. You know what I mean? But anyway, the real reason why I'm on here is to let you know what I can do. Now, what I can do is, your eyes are the key to your soul. And when you stare at the sun like I'm looking at this camera, and you manifest what you're thinking about as you're staring at the sunlight, trying to dominate the sunlight because it's that bright, it's burning your eyeballs out, and your eyes are the key to your soul, man. So therefore, it's cleansing your soul. You know what I'm saying? All right, and so if you were to get like a box and fill it with like alfoil and set mirrors up in certain positions so it reflects the sunlight that goes into it, it reflects off the mirrors bouncing off. Like, you know, you set one up here, one up there, just crooked to the side a little bit, like, you know, to the side a little bit, and then another one to the side a little bit, and another one up here to the side a little bit, so they all bounce off each other, right? If you can hook that up and conduct light like that, right, and then get someone to look through a little thing that captures what's going on in their soul for using sunlight as being the brightest thing in the world and raised everyone on earth and gave everyone power to survive, being the sunlight, you can reproject that soul, and using reflection, which is what you use the glass for, is how you print what's going on in their head, right? So what you'd need is mirrors lined up perfectly so it rebounds fucking light, and then you'd need foil around in the middle around the device, or even fucking like real shiny stainless steel, right? And then you put a film in it, like say that about that long, covering the whole device, right? A film of glass, and you take a picture of what's going on in someone's soul by putting their eyes up to it. Their eyes are the key to their soul, right? I done it to myself using my phone camera. I used the vibrations in my hands to capture what was going on with the signals in my brain, and using my eyes as the key to your soul. You know what I mean? I'm using my eyes as the experiment, and I burnt 40% of my retinas out, and I can still see the eyesight test, and I can still see the fucking little numbers on the screen right now. I'm perfectly fine. I stared at the sun for 8 years. I figured out how to do it. You got to stare at the morning sun and the afternoon sun, and you claim energy from every single soul within that day that walked outside and fucking got sunlight. You're sucking up their energy. Yes, by staring at the light. But not only that, you're gaining energy in order to take these photos of your soul. You know what I'm saying? So it's a bit of, and plus I do witchcraft and magic. But some of my photos are of witchcraft and magic, and some of them are of soul reprojection. All right, so fucking try and get your head around that. I don't think you could, even if you tried. You know, like fucking it took me ages to figure it out. But that's what's going on, right? The ones that are on the front car window, they're the soul reprojection ones, right? Yeah, I've got like, you know, it's Universal Magic. Fucking, if you look it up on YouTube, you'll see it. But fucking, I'll put it up again if I have to and that. But I need better music in that. Like, that fucking music is shit, man. I need to put on some good music. You know what I mean? Yeah. Some Dance to the Devil. Yeah, like some good music, you know. Fucking oath. Anyway, yeah, I need to do my next thing. And that's like, I can't tell you. I'll figure it out first and then I'll tell you, all right? But I figured that out, and I'll tell you something, I used vibrations in my hands to capture the images of what's going on in my brain through staring at the light as I took the photo. You know what I'm saying? That's the key, staring at the light when you take the photo, not look through the phone at the fucking light. Stare at the light and shake your phone up and down and fucking take the photo. Yeah, that's what you got to do. Do you understand? Now fucking do it with a window in front of you. A window in front of you, and you're staring at the light through the window, and you go staring at the light like that, real quick. You know what I'm saying? Like, and you fucking capture what's going on in your soul, man, because the fucking X-ray vision of the sun beaming down through the vibrations in your hands of what's going on in your brain at the same time gets a fucking picture of it as soon as you take the photo. Quick glimpse of what's going on in your fucking soul.